Seriously, how can you even be late to an online class? Oh shit! Woo! 4 o'clock. Okay. I'm not late. Oh. 안녕 친구들. So today, just showed you a few minutes earlier. I'm going to be doing a cooking class, a temple cooking class, which is you'll be making temple food, which is basically no meat, vegetarian friendly food. And before, 나 지금 정신없어. My brain is all over the place because I'm late. But before I start, I want to show you like the ingredients. So I'm going to do like an unboxing while they're still playing the music. Got it from my fridge. So they sent this to us. My knife. So they sent this to us yesterday to prepare for the class today. So I'm gonna show you guys. So here they have seaweed roll, the kim. Like everything is individually packed. So literally this is like a cup of rice. I have more rice in my fridge. This is gonna be crazy. And like everything like oil, the perilla, 1 pepper. Oh my god, carrot. What is this? Oh shit, I don't know how to cook, so this is gonna be a mess, so it's okay. And oh yeah, mushrooms. And I think there should be we get with Titi. There is no paper explaining this. This is gonna be a mess. Oh, this is the tofu. Yeah, that's a block of tofu. Yeah, right there with an ice pack. Yes, let's do this. Okay, luckily I just found out that it's not a live class, so I think I can pause this and not die. I was really nervous about this, so let's start this. So we'll be making cooking fried tofu vegetable rice. Why did I just say that twice? But yeah, this was, I hope mine looks half as good as this. Like, it's very simple. I should be able to do it, right? Okie dokie. Let's start. Oh, shoot. Hungry? What? You need to peel it? Peel. Oh shit. Okay, so they already did the fried tofu first. Wow, this is properly sealed. Okay, so first we're gonna boil the rice well. Yes, my rice cooker talks to me. 일단 좀 주시고. 30 minutes. How about using a tall pot to fry? I have one. I have one somewhere. I have one. Yes. To show how much, like, I think because I bought it, I haven't used it, but yay. Better, yeah. Flax, move away. Alright, so I start frying. I think I have all of it in. And add a little bit of water. And close for 2 minutes. I'm gonna be a chef at the end of this. I'm gonna make perfect Korean wife with a knife. I know I'm making a mistake somewhere because I'm putting my rice. I made my rice before putting it into the steamed veggies. But man, I need to make sure my rice is cooked because I don't trust myself with the water. Yeah, let's do. Temple food is all about patience and stuff like that. But I'm getting hungry, so I'm just gonna fast track. I'm gonna air fry them. They're supposed to be steamed, but no, mommy can't do that today. Oh, can this all go in? Yes, it can. But I need to So for the sauce, chopped off the red pepper and green pepper. So time to add like sesame seeds. Because this is gonna be messy. Oh, sesame. They said 2 tablespoons of. I said 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. I'll just nikimuro. Nikimuro. And lastly, sesame oil. And then black pepper. Just a little bit. Woo, that's too much. And red pepper. So I like my things a little bit spicy. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. Whoa. There you go. And then mix it all up. Korean food, everything's about mixing something. And voila, sauce is made. Doesn't look pretty. I'll get to it. Lordy, 1 hour 30 minutes just to make this. And it's done. I just saw. Very good. Let's try the tofu. Shortcut. Always good. You know they carry last. Alright, so I did it! I cooked. But damn, it took so long. I'm hungry. Okay, guys, I'm about to eat like a pig, so. Au revoir. Bye.